Conclusion. Influencer marketing is one of the most rewarding investments if you are trying to sell a product or service to a demographic that spends a good deal of time on the internet. And since we live in the 21st century, that is the biggest chunk of the population. If internet land was a country, it would be the biggest in the world, and as a marketer, that's the one you want to capture. You need to understand what social media influencers are all about. You need to know how they operate and where you fit in their scheme of things. You need to understand their values and see which one fits your brand the best. This takes research, effort, and planning. Once you have a list of influencers, it takes some more work to figure out who suits your product and the campaign you want to launch. You need to recognize the target audience and find the individual that has the most influence on their purchasing power. Once you get there, you need to negotiate a deal with the influencer. Be clear about the goals of the campaign. Write them down clearly and unambiguously in the contract. Keep the communication lines open and support your influencer in the vision they have, vis-a-vis the content they think will work on the demographic you want to conquer. And when the campaign comes to an end, make sure everyone is back to the drawing table to look at the results. Compare the final outcome to the goals set by both parties at the beginning of the campaign. Use quantifiable parameters to see if the collaboration worked. If you did it right, it would have worked. That's a sign that you should plan more campaigns with the same influencer, since you are now familiar with each other's rhythms.